This week's spelling focus is words that have OO. Ooh. We're studying this in science, Earth and its moon. Moon. It's a thing on the house that protects us from the sun, wind, or rain. This is called a roof. Roof. Both of these actions are the same word. You can shoot a gun or you can shoot a basketball. Shoot. You do this with your eyes. You look. Look. We can use this to fish. Hook. Hook. It's a thing that makes up a tree. This is a wood. This part is the wood. This part is the bark. We will build a house with wood. We won't say we build a house with a tree. It comes from sheeps, and you make a wool and you can knit and make a shirt. This is a wool. Wool. This is from Australia. This is called a boomerang. Boomerang. If you throw it, it'll come back to you. From 12 o'clock and before nighttime, this is the afternoon. Afternoon. We like to decorate when we have a party with a balloon. Balloon. Look at your words. Let's go over it. Moon. Roof. Shoot. Look. Hook. Wood. Wool. Boomerang. Afternoon. Balloon. Spelling test is next Wednesday.